This week, we're getting an up-close look at Pegasus Robotics XAG P100 Pro. It's billed as the largest and fastest drone on the market. It can hold up to 14 gallons and travel up to 31 miles per hour while spraying. Danielle Helland gives us a look at the top 5 features that really differentiate this drone from others on the market.
The speed and size, for one. Another thing is definitely the blades being constructed like this to give it relief on the motors. I like the cord management. Another huge difference is that the drone itself, so the spray and spreader tank actually attaches to the bottom of this drone by these latches right here. So you can actually easily unlatch the drone, grab by these handles right here, and pull it off to switch out a tank if you need to. It's super simple, in my opinion, and makes it really easy to change out the tanks. Another thing that really sets it apart from its competitors is that the batteries actually charge in water, so it actually helps them cool down a lot faster when you're outside running these on hot days and they don't overheat. It's also just something really unique. Like, you wouldn't think about putting a battery in a tub of water to charge it.
The XAG P100 Pro with battery kit is listed at just under $35,000 on the Pegasus Robotics website. For more information, head to precisionfarmingdealer.com. In the Technology Corner, I'm Noah Newman.